I haven't worn any makeup in the past 2 days, but I still clean my face, and this is one of my favorite products to clean my face with. It's only a few dollars, you can find it pretty much anywhere, and then I use a cotton pad. It is super important that you start your makeup with a clean face, because with a solid foundation, your makeup will look a lot better, and it would also last longer. So once my face is dry again, I go ahead and I use the CeraVe lotion, and this is just to moisturize my face, especially right now because the weather's kind of cold, so your skin tends to dry up a little bit more. So now I'm just gonna wait for all these products, well, the lotion, to sink into my skin while I start my makeup. So I always like to start with my eyebrows first. Today I'm gonna be using the Anastasia pomade, and I have this eyebrow pencil, and this pencil is super cheap. It's from e.l.f. So I know that my eyebrows look like a hot mess right now, but I'm not going to worry too much about them because I'm going to go ahead and start putting a concealer on the bottom so I can go ahead and start cleaning them out. So I like to use the e.l.f. concealer, the 16-hour, and I like to use a lighter color than the shade that I have because I just feel like this one makes the colors of the shadows pop a lot more. So today I'm going to be using this palette to do a makeup look. I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and get started with maybe a orange, and let's see how we go from there. So I'm going to be using a blending brush, kind of like this one. So I just grabbed a little bit of product and I put it on my brush, and I'm going to go ahead and get started on the crease of my eye. For my next color, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this brown, and I'm using the same blending brush that I used earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and create my cut crease, and these are two of my favorite pencils that I use to do the cut crease. This one right here is actually a precise lip pencil, but I really like it to do the cut creases. And then this is just a flat brush, but I like the fact that it's super flat, so it's really easy to do the cut creases. So I'm going to use the same concealer that I use for the lid of my eyes. I'm just going to apply it on the lid. I'm going to look up, and you see that line right there? That's what I'm going to be using to create that cut. So I'm going to go in first with my bigger brush. And it's pretty like self-explanatory, like it gives you the guide for you to do the crease. So once I have the colors set already, I'm going to go back again with the purple and the mix of brown to kind of blend out the outer edge right here. So I'm done with my eyes already, I'm done with the crease, but I feel like there's something missing. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of glitter. I'm going to go in with the eyeliner. So my eyes are done. Now the next step is I'm going to be using the Beauty Creations Pore Primer. It's been about 5 minutes that I put the primer in, and I like to leave the products in for a little bit, that way my face can absorb them. Today I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild foundation. I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not going to contour my face with any cream foundations. I'm going to go ahead and set my makeup, and I'm going to be using powders to set my face up. To use this Morphe palette right here, and it's just because it has different browns. I'm going to go with these two, and I'm just going to put it on my cheekbone area. And of course, this is my favorite blush palette right here. These two are my favorite right there. To put my eyelashes, I like to look down. So I put my mirror at an angle. I don't put it straight. I put it at an angle. That way it's easier for me when I'm looking down. And because it's tacky, it like sticks right away. see? I don't like to put my lashes super close to the inner corner of my eye because then they bug me throughout the day. Now it's time to go under the bottom crease of the eyes. I'm going to be using a little flat brush like this one. Like that. And then I'm just going to go with something. Let's go with this purple. So to apply it, I'm going to go ahead and look up. Well, look at the mirror. I really like this brush because I feel like it gives it that like smoky eye. So to make the purple pop a little bit more, I'm going to go in with this Italia purple eyeliner. I love these eyeliners. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it on my waterline. For my lips, I'm just going to use this LA Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. So once this is soaking in, I'm going to go ahead and grab my MAC setting spray, and I'm just going to go ahead and spray it on my face. So I'm going to let that sink in, but I also like to go in with my sponge and kind of press the product. So the makeup is done. I just went ahead and threw on a wig, put some beautiful earrings on, and this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it helpful, and if you guys have any suggestions or any looks that you guys want to see or anything you guys want to learn, make sure you guys let me know.